if you think cold outreach is dead, you're doing it so wrong, because we just released a feature which is going to make it super quick, super cheap, and super easy. So let's quickly jump into the demo, because I don't want to waste your time, my time, both of us time. We're going to start with saying a simple prompt, which is, I want to launch a campaign for let's say founders in Bangalore, and I already have fed in the sheet that I had. So all the people that I want to approach, I've made a list of them and I've uploaded it here. So now it has taken that prompt and it has given me 3 options. Either choose Gmail, WhatsApp, or call. If I have a call option, like I want to generally call, read out through scripts and all of that, I can do that as well. But right now I have only subscribed to 2 options. So I'm going to choose specifically Gmail. Then I'm going to select the leads. So I have these tech leaders leads, which is 25 of them. Then I'm going to select the product, which is Twara AI workflow. Then I'm going to select the template. Then duration, it has taken 1 month, which is 23rd of June to 23rd of July, which is well and good. Now it has given me an option to attach. I don't want to attach anything because it increases my probability to, make it reach not to the inbox but in the spam. So I will let everything read all of this and then quickly make AI give me all the follow-ups intact. Now over here you can see that it has already given me 1 email, 2 email, 3 email and 4 email. 4 follow-ups are already ready with, and mind you, it has gone to that particular person and personalized everything as per them. This is not a generic email that is going. So you can see this is just given a copy to you. Now I will just take 4 emails per month. Instead I want to do 2 emails per month. So you can do that. Or if you want to go 8 emails per month, you can do that as well. But I will stick to 2 emails per month because I want to check if they're actually, going to respond to me or not. After this, I'm just going to approve the campaign. Once I've approved the campaign, I can see which people are they targeting. I can click on audience. And here is your set. Like you can basically check all of these. These are the 15 people this will be sending it to, and you can click on launch. Once you have clicked on launch, what this will do is it's going to start a campaign with them with all the follow-ups intact. And the best part is if they send a particular reply, it attaches a specific way of response and then replies to them. Like somebody says, I'm not interested, it's going to not revert to them. So you are free of trouble. So it took me like 30 seconds to just launch a campaign. So what are you waiting for? Get to it now.